Hi friends, this is a IVRF machine. IVRF Blue Star machine. 12 TC means 12 tonnage. And this is the three-phase supply for this AC. That's mean three-phase means R, Y, B and neutral. Here the after main board supply comes here. It means R, Y, B neutral. After here the supply, this is this is input and this is output, and this send the supply to main board. This is main board. Here you can see the 420 voltage. This is main board IVRF machine. After here the supply release it, and this is the motherboard. Mother means mummy. In other language we can tell the heart of the machine. It operates all the problems, all the signals, all the sensors. And motherboard release the supply from here to the contractor. And the one contractor find the single phase, neutral and phase 220 volt, it attitude, then it release the supply to the fan card board. And this is the fan card board. From here, when the contractor short, supply comes here. After it releases the current to the fan capacitor board. This is the fan capacitor board. Overall, this is 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 capacitor. Here are installed 2 fans. 2 fans, 4 capacitor 1 and 4 capacitor 2. After overall, its supply release the noise filter PCB. This is the noise filter PCB. Overall, from here, after the all process, from here to goes the main part of this AC. This is bridge rectifier. You are seeing that I am showing my tester. This is bridge rectifier. But some technician confused that this is P positive, this is the N negative. This is not phase neutral. This is positive current and this is negative current. And RYB comes here and it converts into the DC voltage, and from here it goes the inverter drive board. This is the inverter drive board, and this is U means R, V means Y, W means B and the neutral. Then overall process, it sends the current from here in DC voltage to the compressor. And here is installed 2, and you can see here is installed 2 DC compressor. That's mean DC means direct current, and main work of this is the bridge rectifier. You are seeing it converts the AC current into DC current. Then our machine starts, and overall this is the communication wire where we can connect our laptop or PC, which provide us company. If you are from Blue Star, then Blue Star gives debugger and etc, laptop etc. You can verify from here A2, from there B2. This board is the outboard communication, and this comes from indoor communication. Now this is the main board. If you want to know that how much machine is connected this, then first of all you press the menu, and when you push the menu, here indicate 100 and it's up to 12. This is the other setting, and 35C, and it is all the setting of the machine. And here 4C compressor and 501, and this is the 6. You can see you're not seeing properly that 6 to 6. It means this is 14 ton machine, and here install is 6 indoor from this outdoor. After will it set and escape, and then press the addressing button for 5 seconds. Overall this machine takes on, I mean 6 to 6, 1 outdoor and 6 indoor. From 1 outdoor there is connected 6 indoor to it. Overall this is the process of this AC. You can see this is the IVRF 100% inverter. So guys, you see my videos and like my channel in cool service. If there is any problem, then I can tell you that what is this in Hindi. This is motherboard and this is fan cardboard. Where is my tester? This is fan cardboard and this is the communication wire. After overall, this is the three-phase supply RYB and neutral. This is fan cardboard. This is single phase contractor that release the supply for fan cardboard. This is the inverter drive, which can, and this is the main part of the AC. It convert the three phase current, AC current in DC current. After all, this is the noise filter PCB and this is the transformer. Similarly, you know that this is the transformer and this is our main board. Here we show the how many voltage comes from the three phase supply. And now my machine is running. This is on. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. If you want to know something I want to tell you, that is solvent valve. If you want to check, then press your tester here. If your magnet shows, then you can understand. Then you understand that this is the solvent valve is open. If there is no magnet, then solvent valve is not open. And then this is the suction line, which is line chilled. That line is suction, and which line is hot. That line is discharge line. In VRF and ductable AC, that is 3 AC, there the discharge line always heat and the suction line is always cool, chilled, etc. And there are two switch, LP transistor switch, this is the HP transistor switch. And in other area where there is suction pipe, there is installed, that is, I am seeing that you are not seeing properly because my camera is not overweight. You are seeing that there is installed the LP at section pipeline, LP pressure switch, low pressure switch. And overall, here we check, this is our service valve. From here we install the gas and etc. Okay, thank you. Please brother, subscribe my channel. And if you want to know any other thing about the three phase VRF AC or IVRF or DVRF AC, you can contact me my channel from Hindi Cool Service. Thank you.